Currently replacing the camshaft belt and the fuel pump belt on this 2006 Range Rover Sport TDV6 2.7 litre. So we're ready for the cam belt to come off. We've stripped it out, I've got it pinned up, just going to remove it in a second, but I've just started, well, I'm just currently doing the fuel pump belt at the back of the engine, which if I show you, we've got the new tensioner fitted, bolt tightened up, 25 Newton meters, new belt fitted. So we've just got to pull the pin and rebuild, refit the cover, refit the EGR coolant pipe, the wiring loom, the injector wiring there, just refit it all, plug things back in, and then we've got the battery housing to fit in the battery, and then I'm going to get the cam belt replaced. Not too bad of a job if you know what you're doing, it's just fiddly.